Now, this is when they start getting really hard. What have we got here? We've got a product rule. Straight away, I can see it's a product rule. It's this function of x multiplied by this function of x. So I've written down the product rule. Excellent. But what I've also got here is this function of x is to the power of 3. So I've got a chain rule inside a product rule. This is what I was talking about before. You've got this, it's a product rule, but there is a chain rule inside this product rule. So it's exactly the same. It is the derivative of UV ultraviolet is violet ultra, the derivative, plus ultraviolet, the derivative. The derivative is always at the back. So ultraviolet is going to be this times the derivative of this, which is 2, plus this times the derivative of this, which is that chain rule. So it's just that exact same thing. So this, there it is there, times the derivative of the first bracket, plus the first bracket times the derivative of the second. So how do we get the derivative of this? 4x minus 1 to the power of 2 times 4. Where did this 4 come from? The derivative of what's inside the bracket. And then it's just a matter of simplifying. We'll bring this 2 out the front, 2 outside of 4x minus 1 cubed. And we can bring this 12 out the front. So it's going to be 12. 3 times 4 is 12. Times 2x plus 1 outside of this 4x minus 1 all squared. Okay, so all I've done is, and that fell out fairly quickly, we could take a common factor out here of 4x minus 1 squared. Lots of students find that difficult. Okay, I would just leave it like this, except if they've asked you to find the second derivative. If you had to find the second derivative, maybe setting up one of those function values and just finding it either side might be an easier way to look at the second derivative in this case. But that is the first derivative. It's not the most simplified version, but it is the first derivative. It would get you full marks. Thanks.